G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Gray and welcome to another BCM Tough Test, and I'm here with George from CA Group. How are you, mate?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Thanks for having us out here today. So George, we've come down to have a look at your UbiFlex Extreme product, which is a silicon-based flashing product reinforced with aluminium, right?
Aluminium, yeah, that's
so
right.
what do you want to share with everyone?
Well, it's a superior roof flashing, very easy to use, easy to form, and very lightweight as an alternative to lead flashing. Being with silicon, it's a very high temp resistance and very good UV resistance.
Which is great for our Australian conditions, mate.
That's why it's the Extreme product, and the aluminium inside it helps it mold very easily and holds its shape very well.
Awesome. Now, if you're using an adhesive-backed product, it can be a bit of a nightmare to get it up. Not the case with this product.
Not with this product, no. You can change it up. It doesn't matter if the roof tiles are dirty or anything like that, with a bit of dust on them. You can still form it very easily.
So if you're in a high wind area and you do want that next level of protection, you can just use a neutral base silicon, right, just to hold it down?
Just a general purpose neutral silicon. Every now and then it's got a very good chemical bond to it.
Awesome.
And it actually sticks to the tile. It prevents any uplift.
All right, George, so at stage one, installation, we're going to tack to the frames, mate, but before we do, what size roll have you actually got there?
Well, this here is a 370mm size roll.
Perfect.
All we recommend is pretty much 150mm upturn.
Yep.
And then we can roll it out. As you can see, it's very lightweight, very easy to use.
Perfect. So if you rip open, you know, a fresh roll, what's the package weight?
On a 370 wide, you're looking at 6.3 kilos.
Perfect.
So compared to all the other flashings out there, yeah.
So that's 3600 wide.
Yep.
What length is the actual roll?
They're all 5 metre rolls.
And when you're actually overlapping from roll to roll across the ridge, what kind of overlap do you normally run with?
It's only about 150mm as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we've got 3 colours, I see, so you can tie in with your terracotta, you've got the black and the grey.
That's right.
So that should keep all the roofers happy.
That's right, yeah, makes it a lot easier.
And we'll let you pin this one up and we'll see how it goes. So George, we're going to push this right in there, mate, so she's hard up against those frames.
Yep.
But that's looking pretty good.
Yes, it is. And now what we're going to do is put the board on. It's nice and flat here, makes it a lot easier to fold the board up.
And we've left enough of a gap there for the tile to fit snugly in underneath the flashing. So George, we've got the boards on, mate. She's tacked on. It's looking good. What's next step for the process?
So now all we do is put the tiling on. So first we need to uplift and we simply slide in our tiles when time's ready. Then we can form it after that.
Are there any techniques or tools that are required?
There are no specialised tools required to do the UbiFlex Extreme.
Perfect.
Pretty much by hand.
That looks like it just fits in really nicely. What should people expect in terms of like warranty of the product?
With the warranty wise, it comes with a 10-year warranty. But we're confident it'll last a lot longer than that.
Awesome. So for all the roofers and everybody out there, don't get too critical about how we put this roof together. We're not roofers, but we've had a pretty good crack, mate. It's looking pretty good. Now look, you have got your silicon in your hand there, but that's not so much for making a seal across the front. It's not creating a waterproof seal. It's purely just to hold the product down for longevity, correct?
That's right. That's exactly right. And it's just a general purpose neutral cure silicon that you can use.
Yep.
And every type of ridge, just put a little dab here.
Yep. And it's not across, it's more just down on the actual ridges.
Just on the actual ridges, yeah. Just
too easy. George, that's a pretty awesome example of how well the silicon product will actually bind it to a tile right there, mate. That's impressive.
Yeah, it's like I said, it's a chemical bond.
Yep.
And as you can see, very easy to process and does hold really well.
Mate, all in all, a really good product. So it seems like installation is probably going to be a bit quicker than some of the other products getting around. So the roofing guys themselves can save a bit of time and money, but get a fantastic result too.
Yeah, that's right. They don't have to worry about lengthwise. They can roll it all out in 5 metre length. There's no problem at all.
So guys and girls, thanks so much for tuning in for another BCM Tough Test. And George, for anyone that wants a little bit more detail, they can see this review in the next issue of BCM, which is great, but they can also find the product info at www.cagroup.com. Perfect. And in terms of people physically want to get their hands on the product, I guess they've just got to go down to their local building or plumber suppliers and they can find it there.
That's right.
Excellent. So there you go, guys. Stay really safe on site. We'll catch you soon.